Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 11 of Tekla Structures Construction Point Tutorial playlist. Next method to create the point is at any position. Through this method, we can create a point at a position you pick. At this method, snap switch selection determine the position you can pick. So let's select that, and this is our snap positions. And right now I'm picking this one is snap to point and grid intersection, and just see where I just off it, uh, where you're seeing some text on the cursor because I have selected this point at intersection where I will get this kind of condition. It will reflect through the text, and where you will pick that. Suppose I'm hovering over here and I'm not getting that intersection. Here we have the grid intersection. It will reflect through the text and click on this, it will create the point. Here we have the grid intersection, it will create the point. Let's off it and check the second is snap to end point. Okay, just go to here. Here you are seeing end point is reflecting on the cursor. Click on that. Here also end point reflecting on that. Here it is not reflecting, we cannot create. So where it is showing the end point, there we can create the point. Next is we need to off it and next check the snap to the center point. Here I am hovering, nothing is happening. Just make it move, and here you can see center point. Let's click on that. Here also point is getting created. So again check the second snap midpoint and hover. See, we have the midpoint condition here. Let's click. Here also the point is creating. Here snap to the intersection point. Let's hover, and where we will get that condition intersection, it will create. Let's click exactly on the intersection, the point will get created. Here also we have the intersection. Here we can easily get the point where the circle and lines are getting intersect. Let's off it. Check the perpendicular. Here we are not having. So where this grid end, that line is intersecting, that it is indicating through the test. Click on that and see point is getting created. I'm selecting that. Here the perpendicular is happening from the point to the line. Let's click. Here we are getting the intersection of the perpendicular thing, and we are easily creating the point. Let's check the another thing. Here also from that point to this grid we have the perpendicular. We can create the point over there in this way. Now let's check the snap to parallel point. Suppose I want to create the point parallel to this point. So it is showing that. Okay. And from here also I want to create. Now check whether these points are created or parallel or not. Instead of into see these are parallel. Again because we have interrupted, again need to initiate this one, and let's choose the another snap to extension line. What it is, let's see if I'm hovering here, it is showing the extension line. So if I'm going here, so where you want to place the point, just click, it will create the point along to the extension line like this. Suppose I want to create a point along to this peak, it will create. So in this way it is very easy to create the point at any point based on the snap you are selecting. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.